Alrighty guys, I got the green light now. Let me tell you something, man. This is what's driving mechanics out of the industry, okay? Now, without putting the customer on blast, because this has nothing to do with the customer. Well, it do in a way. Let me tell y'all what I'm talking about. So, I was dispatched this car. You can see that. Not even 1,000 miles on it. Which means it's basically brand new, okay? 2025. What the hell is this? Jeep Renegade or something like that. Well, guys, she's in for some type of squeaks and rattles. Yeah, y'all know, if you're a mechanic, you understand the discouragement or the disappointment that you get with when you get a complaint like that. Squeaks and rattle on a brand new car. All right, so the mechanic his attitude automatically goes down the tube. All right, first of all, he's under the assumption he can't make no money. Whatever he finds is gonna be 2 or 3 tenths, and there's nothing he can do about it because you just happen to be the guy that fell on this repair order. All right, squeaks and rattle. I'm driving, pissed off the whole time because first of all, I don't hear nothing up until I hit a freaking bump. Not even a bump. I made a hard turn. Man, let me tell y'all something. Okay, now earlier I mentioned this has nothing to do with the customer. I take that back. It has everything to freaking do with the customer. Guys, the squeaks and rattle noise when I turn or hit a bump. Hey, now, I'm up on a red light, but guys, when this shakes, y'all hear that? OMG. They only do it when you either hit a nice good turn or hit a bump. This will do this. That's where her noise is coming from. I was this close to driving with her so she can tell me what's going on, but she wasn't in the shop. So some told me to go back on another test drive. Guys, y'all, anybody want to take a wild guess what I'm going to earn off for hopping in this car, getting this repair order, hopping in this car, going on a test drive to help duplicate it, not being able to duplicate it, going back to the shop to voice my frustration over again to whoever in the hell was listening. Nobody cares, so nobody was listening, all right? But this is what I signed up for, so let me go try it again. Lo and behold, a nice good turn, and there you have it. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, just squeak rattles, just squeaky noise only when you turn. Now, because I knew that was it, because all you got to do is hold it at that point and you'll get nothing, even on those turns. All right, so I isolated the noise, and boy, you talking about happy? I'm in somebody else's car hollering, yes! Again, I'm gonna shut this video down, but anybody want to take a wild guess what that pay? Anybody want to take a wild guess what I would earn off of finding this complaint? Put it in the comment section and let your boy know. I gotta go because I feel much better now that I found the problem. All right, guys, I gotta go. Let me know in the comment, man, how much money y'all think I'm gonna make off finding that. Mind you, I've been on this job 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah, I spent 10 minutes fussing. All right, I gotta go.